Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions and demo on two new products from Tarte. So the first thing I have is this palette right here. This is the Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust palette. It retails for $39. On the outside, we've got some stars and then glitter all in the background. Open it up, you have the big mirror. And then you have 10 eyeshadows and a highlighter in the center. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the swatches. So for the first one, we have the highlighter, and then Giggle, Magic, Mystical, Wish, and Gossamer. And for the rest of the shades, we have Whimsical, Wonder, Flitter, Twinkle, and Frolic. This guy is limited edition. I picked mine up on the Tarte website, but it's going to be in stores on July 1st. So be on the lookout if you are curious to see it. Then I also got this beautiful blush. Like, I can't, it's so pretty. It's a limited edition Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in the shade Fairy Flush. That's what it looks like right here. And in case, like, if you like to use the Tarte blushes, there's a little hole back here, so you can pop this one out and put other ones in. I thought that was pretty cute. And this guy retails for $29. So I'm about to go to physical therapy. I thought I would do just a quick tutorial for you guys using both of the products. I wanted to go with something a little softer. I've been doing brighter looks recently, and again, physical therapy, where like you see that all that makeup in person, when you're going to physical therapy, they look at you real crazy. So I try to keep it a little softer today. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I'm going to start off by applying the blush. Obviously, I already have my foundation done. This is Fairy Flush. You guys, this packaging, I live for the blush packaging. I like it a little bit more than I do the palette, the eyeshadow palette. But this is what it looks like here. I'm just going to take my Natural Hair MAC 129 and apply this to the, wow, that's not what this looks like at all to me. That's cute. Now I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette and the center shade, I'm going to use it to highlight. Linda Hallberg 306, and yeah, that applies beautifully. I'm going to go ahead and take that right underneath the brow arch. Ooh, that's nice. It smells good. I'm going to hit the nose with this. The Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to buff using my Hourglass powder, and then we will move on to the eyeshadow. I'm starting off with a Goss number 16 and Frolic, placing that on the outer V and then into the crease, and I'm going to work it upwards. Wayne Goss number 19, I'm taking that same shade right along the lower lash line. Wayne Goss number 17 and Whimsical, again starting on the outer half, and then I will work it into the crease for added definition, and slowly, slightly upward. I'm again going to take that same shade right up against the lower lash line. I like to make sure I connect it to the outer V right here. MAC 242 and Magic, I'm going to put this all over the lid. And I'm going to build it up a little bit because I don't want to use it wet. MAC 283 and Twinkle right on the inner corner. Linda Hallberg 333, and I'm taking Wish just on the outer part of my top lash line, and I'm going to kind of smudge it out just to smoke it up just a little bit. Will make your lashes look a little thicker. I wanted Magic to be just a little bit more, so I'm packing it on with a MAC 239, and that's definitely making it a little bit more intense. And now I'm going to go ahead and just do some mascara. Here is the finished eye look. All I did was add on some mascara, and then I also put a little bit of Marc Jacobs highlighter in my inner rim on the top. Mama is going to be late. I just saw the clock. I'm like, no, I gotta run out this door. And my running is really going slow. So really quickly, I'm gonna give you guys the 411 on both of these products. So again, this is a first impressions only. I had 0 issues with the shadows. They're trying to open it. They blended beautifully. It has that nice tart smell in here. I think the colors are gorgeous. I'm really enjoying like these plummy, lighter shades right here. I don't think you need this. I think most of us have these colors in our collection. If you don't, sure, grab the palette. I like this palette, but it's not my favorite. I don't think I'll grab for this one as much as I will the others, but I still didn't have any issues with them. I had just a little bit of fallout, but I just swept it away with a brush. It was no problem there. And I had to build up the shades just a little bit, but overall, I think this is a pretty palette, but I don't think you need it. Ooh, and I actually really like this highlighter. I think I like this one a little bit more than the Tarte and Aspen Ovard, which I use that palette all the time. But for me, if you were gonna pick one out of the two, I would get the blush. Like, I love this. The packaging on it is phenomenal. Like, I will probably buy other Amazonian clay blushes to go in here when I run out of this one. I just think it is so pretty, and I really like the color. I didn't know what to expect with this because I saw it online and it looked kind of rosy, but then it kind of looked peachy, and then I opened it up and it looked very nude. But I really like the color on my skin tone. It's pink, but also peach. So just like right in between, just very wearable, and the formula went on really nicely. Now let me know if you are grabbing any of these products, and I am going to run out the door. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.